Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about precautions in rainy season. Number 1. We should always eat healthy food as we are very prone to infections. Number 2. We should always take vitamin C during this season as it cures cold and cough. Number 3. We should always carry gumboots, raincoats and an umbrella when we go out. Number 4. We should always drink lots of water during this season. Number 5. Please don't go for a walk during this season as again we are prone to viral infections. Number 6. Be careful from mosquitoes as they carry dengue and malaria. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and ring the bell so you can reach my latest videos all the time. Thank you.